Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back with another box of 2002 Topps 206 Baseball. Again, this is 20 packs with 8 cards per pack. Here we go. Let's rip into it. Alright, checklist again, advertisement again, which is different than the other one actually. It's got different cards pictured. Yeah, the other one had Honus Wagner up in the left hand corner. It's done a couple of different designs. Interesting. And here are the packs. Yeah, that worked better than last time. Okay. Here we go again. 2002 Topps 206. I'm trying to see if I can move this over a bit. There we go. Pack number 1. That ripped weird. Okay. Looks like this is shorted a mini. Benitez, Bonds, Walker, Mulder, Sam Crawford. Yep, no mini in this one. Oh, there is a mini. Nolan Ryan. And Marlon Byrd mini. Polar Bear back. And Omar Garcia Parra. How many cards is that? 3, 6, 8 cards. Yep, okay. These are weird. These are kind of like a paper, like a thick paper. Alou, Sheffield, Rodriguez, Floyd. I'm not gonna spend as long on this one as I did the last one. McGee, Hall, and Ichiro mini, and that is a Polar Bear back. And Piazza. Move this over there. Boy, these are ripping weird. Johnny Damon, Kazuya Seishi, Albert Pujols, Ramirez, Winfield, Boone, Johnny Damon, Piedmont or Piedmont back, and Ichiro. Mariano Rivera, Johnson, Martinez, Gomes, Oswalt, Seaver, Burnett's Polar Bear back, and Todd Helton. And I got a hit in this pack. Derek Jeter, Polar Bear back. McGee, Maggie, Hall, Penny, Guerrero, Mulder, Perez, and... Oh, you gotta be... Sorry, I almost swore. You gotta be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. I cannot freaking believe it, guys. Holy crap. Holy crap. What are the odds? There's an original in here, guys. Repurchased tobacco card. One of 179 packs. Holy crap. I almost swore. They got me that excited. I mean, holy cow, look at that. Oh, man, that's awesome. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Elam for Nashville. Piedmont back. Wow, man, that is so cool. An original. Oh, man, that is so awesome. It's in horrible condition, but man, that's awesome. I think this is one of the coolest things I've ever pulled. I pulled some really big cards and stuff, but as for like just cool cards, oh man, yeah, I'm excited about that. That is awesome. Holy crap, that is sweet. Oh man, I've never had an original T206 card. Oh man, that is sweet. That is awesome. Oh man, that's awesome. And Perez. That's cool, man. I remember when I first got this when I was a kid, boxes of stuff. I really, really wanted to pull an original, and I never did. So it's really awesome to break this product 13 years later and pull one. That's a hit. 13 years in the waiting, I guess. Mike Piazza, Robin Ventura, Milton, Duffy, Pena, who the Tigers traded to Oakland. Collins, Mini of Roy Oswalt, and that is a Piedmont or Piedmont back, however you prefer to say it. And Roger Clemens. Wonder if I'll be able to complete the set. I think I've got over half of them, I think, from the first box. So that'd be pretty neat if I can complete that set. That was a set I tried completing too when I was younger and just wasn't able to. Jordan, Drew, Sabathia, McGriff. Which reminds me, I gotta pull out my old ones. Well, these are old too, but the ones I initially broke when I was a kid and see if I got the set. Wells, Giles for the base set. Bots, Polar Bear back. And Kurt Schilling. Oh man, I am so excited about that hit. That's awesome. Yeah, it's in really bad condition, but I don't even care. I pulled an original. That was the whole point of this product, was to get the originals. I think those were like case hits. If that even. Smith, Green, Rodriguez, Gobble, Gobble, Helton, Doyle. It'd be nice to get Ty Cobb. Hall, and that is a Polar Bear back, and Barry Zito. I wonder if the original replaces an autograph or relic. I've never pulled one, so I have no idea. We're going to find out. Another card. Okay. I think that's it for that pack. Perez, Shane Halter, Bernie Williams, Derek Jeter, Frank Robinson. Sweet. Oh, yeah, I think that's first Griffey Jr. Blaylock, Hank Blaylock, Polar Bear back, and Pudge insert. I think it might. There's usually one hit on each side of the box. Can't get all these cards out. Okay. Shinjo, Cedeno, Ichiro, Requena, Roland, Beltre, and Jermaine Dye. Oh, nice. That is a red Piedmont back. Jermaine Dye. It's neat seeing all these old names again. Luis Gonzalez. I haven't seen a lot of these names for years, so it's kind of cool seeing some of these. Let's see if we can get them all out again. Yep, got them. Luis Gonzalez, Bernie Williams, Freddie Garcia, Church, Ryan Church, that's his first name. Nolan Ryan, Ruben Sierra, and Mantinovich, Polar Bear back, and Pujols. Insert. Move these over. All right. I think this is pack number 11. That one barely felt sealed. Ichiro, Ben Grieve, Lawton, Burnitz, Robin Yount, Martin, Burnitz again, Piedmont back, and Larry Walker. I don't think I pulled him in the last box. Larry Walker. Oh boy. That should be good enough, right? Kerry Wood, Brian Giles, Brett Boone, Griffin, Reggie Jackson, and a Mike Schmidt. And Martin again, Polar Bear back, and Christian Guzman. These don't like to open that way at all. Jermaine Dye, Jordan, Zito, Drew. Seeing a lot of names here. Same ones. Pedro Martinez, Brooks Robinson. And Burnett's again. No, Carolina Brights back. Nice. Looks like he may get one of the Carolina Brights and one of the Redbacks per box then. Scott Rowland. The Jeter Redback and the Nolan Ryan Carolina Brights back were pretty good minis. Looks like there's another hit in here. So let's see what we got. Ryan Giles, Polar Bear back, Dave Winfield, Benitez, Martinez, Pujols. What is up with that? That's weird. Looks like a printing error. Bradley, Ordonez, and the hit is Christian Guzman with a pinstripe jersey card. Christian Guzman. I think I have an autograph of him from 2002. Topps 10, if I remember the product correctly. Jersey card with a pinstripe. Oh, there they go. Derek Jeter on the back. A little bit of a on the insert. Messed up corner. Rollins, Sexton, Ichiro. That's one of those is a parallel. It's second Ichiro. Walker, Burrows, Willie Mays. Sweet. And Adrian Beltre. Nice. Polar Bear back and Derek Jeter. Got 4 packs left. I did not rip right at all. Here we go. Barry Zito, Green, Rodriguez. Yeah, that guy. Frank Chance. Mintinovich. Tsao, Polar Bear back. Teso. I don't know, guys. And Eric Chavez. I don't think I pulled him in the last box. Okay. Drew. Shinjo. Jeter. I think there's 3 Jeters. 3 different parallels. Giles. Joe Morgan. Whitey. I think it's Whitey Herzog. I think. Or Bucky Herzog, one of the two. Lara, Polar Bear back, and Brett Boone. Insert. Yeah, so it looks like they got 1 pack left after this. I think the original buyback, I think they called them repurchase back then, takes place of regular relic or autograph, which is fine with me. Cordova, Robert Fick. Wow, I haven't seen that name in a while. Robert Fick. Rodriguez. See, there's another different picture. Perez. Oh, Hank Aaron. That's a different picture than the last one. That's sweet. That's what I like about T206. There's so many different variations and stuff in this product. Todd Helton. Wow, this is my 3rd Church Mini, but this is a different one. I think the other... No, they were all Piedmonts, weren't they, in the last one? Interesting. And Roberto Alomar. Last pack of the box. Yep, I was right. The repurchased takes place of autograph or relic. Helms, Bonds, Jones, Burnett's, Doyle. Again, I think I've seen that name a couple times. Wood, Brazelton, that is a polar bear back, and Pedro Martinez to round out the box. Yeah, I'm seeing some corner dings on these inserts here. Quite a bit of them, actually. Yeah, a couple of them, not all of them, just a couple. It's not too bad. Oh, wait, other side. Yeah, see. Okay, there's a few. You guys can see that. That's too bad. Oh well. I'm happy with this box overall. You can't really complain when you bust a box of 206 and you pull an original. Can't really complain. So I am happy with that. That is awesome. I think this is going to be staying in my PC. I think, because that's just like one of the coolest things I've ever pulled. So I'm happy with it. Overall, this was an awesome 2 boxes in my opinion. I got a couple of really good minis. I got some decent hits. A lot of short prints and variations to find, go through. But hope you guys enjoyed this break. Thanks for watching. And real quick, I told you guys about the 205s. I have 2 of these sealed. So, yeah. Might do. I think I'm gonna bust them. If I do, I'll definitely do videos on them. But thanks for watching, everyone.